Well, when it comes to the DIY world, we've got one person we always talk to, and with Valentine's Day fast approaching, we decided to reconnect with our DIY extraordinaire friend, Amy Sandler, to see if she had any suggestions for ways to decorate and celebrate. Check this out. This is wonderful. We're here in the she shed. Spent so much time putting it together.
Yes.
And now we're getting ready for Valentine's Day.
Yes.
2021. What do you got for us?
Everybody's making those big poofy blankets.
Right.
This is what they're using. It's big fat yarn.
It's huge.
I had the idea. I do crochet, and I hand crochet. I don't know if you know what a hand crochet is, but it's
no idea, but
you can use your
trust you.
hand to start a crochet line where you just crochet like this. It's kind of like braiding. Pull it like this, and you can
That's impressive. Okay.
kind of like braid with one strand.
Right.
But I thought, well, what am I going to do with one long braided strand of fat yarn?
Right.
So I decided I was going to make a wreath. Would you hold that for me?
Absolutely.
Okay. And so let me think how I practiced this. I put it around my hand like this, and I take the end and pull through. And see there, I'm wrapped around. And by the way, this foam wreath is from the Dollar Tree.
So you're bringing it around, and then you're feeding it through the loop that's
Through
created.
the loop, and you can go on either side, a top or on the bottom. And then as I get a little further, it looks kind of janky, so I can just pull it together, push it together there. And so see, it's wrapped around.
Yeah. It starts to really look nice. Once you have more of it
Yes.
together, it actually, it's more organized than it looks initially because you see the pattern with it.
Hand crocheting is something my grandma crocheted, so as she would crochet, I would just kind of take some yarn and watch what she did. Of course, she was a master at it, and I am not. But
So once you get toward the end, what are you looking at in terms of tying it
I'm
off?
just going to tie it. I'm just going to tie it. So like right here, I have a loop, and I will probably take my loop and tie it. This was the end that I tied to start with, and I'll just tie it off.
Cool.
And then scoot everything together. And then I have one that I finished in the cream. And you remember I was telling you about the pom-poms?
Oh, look at that.
Isn't it cute?
Wow.
So I'm going to make several more pom-poms and add them, but I just thought it was an adorable.
It's really fun. It makes a house a home. It's one of the many
Yes.
crafts that you've done that sort of make things a little warmer.
Yes.
We'll have this segment on our morning show page at KOAMNewsNow.com. We'll be right back after this.